Hi, in this video we'll talk about the ElevateHQ sales commission software. So this is a new tutorial and review. So if your sales commission is still stuck in spreadsheets and manual calculation is leading to errors, disputes, and demotivated sales reps, you're not alone. So that's where Elevate HQ comes in. It's an incentive compensation management software designed to automate commission calculations, improve transparency, and drive sales team performance. So, Elevate HQ has a lot of benefits. It can actually make complex commission plans, and it will amplify, or it will actually use it in a simple place. So if you're interested, you can go to elevate.so in order to go over to their website. So this Elevate HQ right here can help you with a lot of things that you need to be done. I'll head over and explore in here this particular products as well as their benefits. So first onto their website, you can see in here this, so you can click onto the schedule a demo if you want to schedule or try them out. But first, let's review their particular product. So number 5, they have a sales incentive designer. Let's head over and click on that. So for this designer, this can actually make your sales incentive much more organized and much more to the face of to the sales rep. So we have in here this, so this can automate sales incentive under the sun. So this is what it looks like. We have in here a team, we have some plans as well as payouts that you want. So for example, we have in here the payment as well as the commission for those payments that has been. So in here you can head over and then make those payments as easy as 1, 2, 3 with Elevate HQ. They have a designer that actually is for you. So for example, we have in here this rule definition. So real this rule definition right here have this. So for example, we have in here this rule wherein it can award $100 for each opportunity created where deal weekend opportunity is yes. So for this weekend opportunity, you will have in here action. So don't worry because even though it looks hard and it may involve coding, don't worry because we also have in here some predetermined codes so for you to actually code that. So in here, this rule definition has tiered commissions, accelerators or kickers, bonuses, competitive spiffs, and much more for this one. So they have in here this looks right here. So in here, you can also run out and command your data using this case. As you can see, we have in here this part of report. We have in here the scope to achieve, deal pipeline, as well as revenue collections. So if you have in here this status bars right here, it can actually help your sales rep to push further their limits in order to achieve the quota or the goal that they were implemented. So here are some testimonies from people that has also have their business. So we have in here some groups or some companies that uses Elevate HQ. Now let's head over to compensation management. So for compensation management right here, they have different perks as well as functions from this. So this is what it looks like. We have in here this payout batch, and in here you can just manage all of the sales rep that you have that will have those particular payouts. So this will ensure accurate and on-time commission payouts for your sales rep that actually sells some. So we have in here this accuracy. We have the user details for this one, as well as the active from and active till, their name, as well as their job title. So you can just click on any users and then calculate the payout. So in that way, you should be able to see how much payout they have for that. So you can also add those users to the plan that you manage. So those right here should be able to actually show up onto the dashboard itself. So in here, you can just this Elevate HQ or to automate those on-time payouts right here. Having here this workflows that those payouts will be reconciled as well as paid on time. We also have map deals and single time and reconcile with collections for those particular company part or products that you actually sell. So on some cases, some salesman actually splits the commission. So for example, on this case, we have Leslie and Jane, and they split. those commission based on the days, so you can manage your deviation without deviating from management. So if there's something that's wrong and that's have a deviation from the Elevate HQ can understand this better than your spreadsheet. So Elevate HQ can help you with this particular error. Going over to the commission plan performance, we have in here there's average time closure, average deal value, incentive plan, as well as a lot more. So for this performance, you can see every performance in one glance using this particular graph and chart. So you can see if the particular plan has actually dropped performance or has increased. For example, on this case, this plan right here has decreased performance from April to May, and then this until it July. So you can see here the performance can make in order to improve particular plan and then increase that particular performance again. So for their sales performance, you can also elevate your sales rep in order for them to motivate them and then help them create or close some deals anymore. So you can understand and hear the impact of your commission plans as well. You can see the true cost of that as well as the upfront collection. And you can see in here this redundant payouts that has been noted by any manager that you have. And with this, it actually increases the accuracy of the payouts. And those payouts will be sent on time. And it will focus on what your sales commission plans are actually delivering based on this case. So they have true cost, payout parity, as well as reduced redundancy. So they also have a payout simulator wherein you or run some backtesting and simulation experiments with what if models in order to see if they actually meet the criteria and if they actually work well. Next on our list is the motivation for your sales team. So we have in here this particular graph wherein you can see the person's current earnings, and do you know that you can also input or show them their potential earnings. So using this, AI can actually predict how much more is the potential of a sales rep to close some deal based on their current trends and their recently closed deals. So with this, your sales rep will have increased motivation in order to close some more deals and have some more potential earning. So in here you can see this. For example, on this quota, we have in here this 9 quota, and for the deal closure, they already have 4. We have payouts estimated $12,000 and with the deal pipeline of 23. So this can reflect your real-time earnings as well as just some manual claim, in-app solutions, audit logs, as well as instant settlements based on each plan. It can either be monthly or yearly depending on that. So if you're interested to learn more, you can head over to their website right here, click onto the schedule demo, and it should be able to redirect you to their Calendly page, wherein you can book in here a call with their sales expert, and you can head over and then ask them if how much is a quote for a specific business depending on else. So that's our daily today, and if you have any questions, you can comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer them. Thank you so much for watching.